Hello everyone, we're back again. Gagawa ulit tayo ng isa pang video tutorial. So last video we were able to show you how to create update edit process or edit update process sa PHP. Today or this time, gagawa naman tayo ng delete sa isang web page. Okay? So let me show you yung naunang ginawa natin kanina. Yan, kasi ginawa ko lang siya kanina. Okay? So, ito yung itsura ng current na output natin. Yan. So, gumawa tayo ng edit button. Pag click yung edit, lalabas lahat ng data sa isang form input na pwede nating palitan. For example, palitan natin ito ng Leo the Great. For example lang, last middle Pascual. For example lang, Pascual. Naging Korea. Tapos palitan natin siya ng Dean. Ayan. So, yun yung sample natin or yung previous video na ginawa natin. So, today gagawa tayo ng edit. Mag-add lang tayo, or ng delete I should say. Gagawa lang tayo ng delete button on the end section ng ating read. So, pupunta pa rin tayo sa read. So, dito mag-add lang tayo ulit ng td. So, para mabilis yung trabaho, copy-paste lang tayo ulit yung form. Ayan. So, mag-comment tayo saglit. So, this is for edit and update. This is for delete. Ayan. So, sa edit and delete, ito yung importante alam natin. Dapat meron tayong button, of course, saka meron tayong naka-hidden na data dun sa ID, para sa ID. So, wag na natin baguhin yan. Ang babaguhin lang natin, imbes na edit, we call it delete. Imbes na edit now, gawin natin siyang delete now. And of course, meron dapat siyang specific na pupuntahan. Okay? So, ganito muna siya. Tignan lang natin kung ano yung itsura. Ayan, we have now the edit and we have now the delete. Pero wala pang ginagawa. Okay? So, for this process, I will make use of the same page. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya lalabas. Dito lang siya. Dito lang niya gagawin yung delete. Okay? So, isisingit ko lang siya dito sa taas muna. Okay, so I will add H1. Lagyan na natin ng title. List of teachers. For example. So, dito ko po ilalagay yung ating PHP. Ayan. So, gusto ko mangyari, pag click yung button na delete, magre-reload lang siya on the same page, ganun lang. Kaya hindi ako maglalagay ng file name or ng kahit anong dito sa may action. So, this is the simplest way to do that. Although marami pang way na iba. I'll just show you kung paano ginagawa yung simple delete. Okay? Yan. So, gawa tayo ulit nung ginagawa nating if iset. Yan. $post. Tapos yung delete now. Yung button. Ito. Siya yun. So, maglagay na tayo ng open and close parenthesis. Yan. So, to test this one, mag-echo lang tayo. Let's try to display anything inside just to check kung gumagana ba siya pag na-click. Like, delete now. Yan. Okay? So, when we hit delete dito, ayun. So, lumalabas na siya. So, reload natin ulit. Delete now. Ayun, lumalabas talaga siya. So, it's now working. Ibig sabihin, nababasa niyo yung process ng form delete button. Pag click siya, pumupunta siya dito. So, pwede natin lagyan ng comment na this is my code for the delete. Ayan. So, same goes with the other process, create, read. Meron pa rin tayong query for that. So the query is delete from, tapos yung pangalan ng table, teacher's record, and then kailangan natin ng criteria kung kanino yon or kung sino yung di-delete natin based from the ID, of course. So meron tayong ID doon, naka-hidden lang, hindi nakikita, ang pangalan is RID. So lagay lang natin dito double quote that R $post RID. Yan. So execute lang natin to, con, tapos query, then pasa natin con query, then q equals exec. Ayan. Tama ba ako? Tingnan natin yung insert. Ganun pala. Okay. Kalimutan ko. So, kailangan lang pala natin yun. So, let's go to read. Ganito dapat siya. Tanggalin natin to. Mali yan pala. Yan. Con, yung connection ng database, then exec, tapos yung variable q. Ayan. So, ganyan lang pala. Okay. And then, variable, mag-add tayo ng echo, record has been successfully deleted. Then, mag-echo tayo ng meta http retrieve refresh para i-refresh na yung web page in 2 seconds. Content 2 seconds pa rin. Tapos URL would be read pa rin, babalik lang siya sa same page. Ayan. So, pag click niya yung delete dito, automatically gagawin niya yung process dito sa log. So, di-delete niya yung kung kanino yung ID, di-delete niya. I-display niya yung message, then magre-redirect siya on the same page after 2 seconds. So, yan yung ibig niya sabihin. So, try natin. Let's go to back natin to. Bakit siya syntax error? Ayan. Okay, so delete natin. Ayun, record has been deleted. Ayun, so nade-delete na siya. Ayan. Tatlo lang na lang naiwan. So, ganun yung process kung paano siya gawin. Okay? So, the only thing left, lagyan lang natin ng simple confirmation kasi hindi pwede yung i-delete agad eh. So, pag click nyo yung delete, dapat may prompt na message like, do you really want to delete? So, try natin if that will help. On click. Gawa tayo na on click. Return. Confirm. Like, do you really want to delete the record? Okay, so balik tayo dito, reload natin, click natin, okay, ayan, so meron na siyang confirmation, click natin yung okay, ayun, so nade-delete niya na, sapa, okay, delete natin, cancel, ayan, so that would be it. That's how to create a simple delete using PHP. So I hope makatulong ulit. So I will create another video related to this one in the future. So stay tuned guys. Thank you.